Hi everyone. My day changed yesterday at about 1:30 when I heard the back door open and a delivery guy brought more product in. I went back to check it out, and lo and behold, what we have been waiting for several months has arrived. Heather Peterson's new Christmas quilt for Riley Blake, and the name of it is Winter Wonder Sampler. Now this is definitely a winter quilt. It features a great snowman. If you want to just come down here where you can see it. And everything in it is pieced. Even that nose and the eyes are pieced. So you don't have any applique in this quilt at all. It just screams winter. You can put it up at Christmas time and leave it up until, shoot, April some years. We don't like it when that happens, but it does happen. It comes boxed in this beautiful box. This is what it looks like on the back. And then this is what it looks like on the front. Riley Blake does a wonderful job with their packaging. It has a magnetic lid on it, so you pop it open and you open it up like this. And I'm just going to take the things out that are in here. The first thing you're going to get is your pattern. And this is a 10-inch square friendly pattern. It does come with, the kit does come with 10-inch squares. These are the reds that you're going to use probably in the scarf here. I'm assuming this is your border print. And here we've got our whites. So these are backgrounds and probably the snowman. It even comes with your carrot fabric. Nothing interesting about that. That's just an orange piece of Kona. But then you get your 10-inch squares. So this is a complete quilt that measures 67 by 76. And the cost of it is $105. Now that is a wonderful value for that size quilt. I hope you can take advantage of that. They're going to be gone fast. We have a limited number of them. But the other thing that came in is also limited in quantity, and that is the Heather Peterson fat quarter bundle. Now this is a stack of 30 fat quarters, each one different, and they are beautiful. I wish I could open it up so you could see them, but I'm going to have a picture on the email and on Facebook that will show you what each one looks like. Beautiful stack of fabric. The fat quarter bundles run $112.50. Like I said, we have limited quantities of both. So if you want one, give us a call, 269-383-1790 to purchase yours, because I wouldn't wait until late afternoon tomorrow. I'm not gonna put these online because I don't have a lot of control over the inventory that happens online. What I put on there is what can be sold, and with limited quantities, we would not have a chance for anyone in the store to buy it too. So you'll have to give us a call or stop by early in the morning. We're open from 10 until 5 tomorrow, and then from 10 until 3 on Saturday. So you have a great day. You know what? We're also open from 10, what day is today? I think it's Wednesday. But today, you'll be hearing this on Thursday. So anyway, 10 to 5, Monday through Friday, and 10 to 3 on Saturday. Hope you have a wonderful day.